The creative director, copywriter, and editor of the ad you're watching, none of them are human. That's right, this isn't just one AI tool, nor is it a simple prompt. It's an actual team of AI agents. A trend scout, strategist, scriptwriter, visual director, editor, and social media manager all work together to create the ad campaign you just saw. I only used RoboNeo AI Agent Teams. And RoboNeo is not just another AI tool where you type a prompt and hope it gives you something useful. It's more like an AI creative workspace where you can use different specialized agents for different parts of the content creation process. Inside the Agent Hub, you'll find different agents for different creative tasks. For example, there are agents like brand designer, advertising strategist, storyboard director, and plenty of others depending on what you want to create. So instead of asking one AI to do everything, RoboNeo gives you access to agents that are built for specific roles. One agent can help with branding. One can plan the ad strategy. One can create the storyboard. One can shape the visuals. And all of these work under Agent Teams. The way it works is simple. You enter what you want to create, and RoboNeo brings in the right agents for the job. So if you're creating an ad campaign, it can pull in agents for strategy, branding, storyboarding, editing, and social media. Instead of doing every step manually, the agents work together to turn your idea into a finished piece of content. And we'll test to see if it can create a viral ad campaign for our products. Let's get started. So for the demo, I uploaded my DS Aura perfume product image and gave RoboNeo a detailed prompt. In this prompt, I'm basically asking it to act like a full social media content team and build a complete short-form ad campaign around this perfume. So not just one script or one visual idea, I want the full thing. That includes the campaign concept, the viral angle, the ad script, the storyboard, the visual style guide, the editing notes, and even the social media caption and hashtags. As soon as I submit the prompt, the agent team starts working. First, RoboNeo tells me it's going to create a cinematic and viral short-form campaign for the perfume. After uploading the DS Aura perfume product image and entering my prompt, RoboNeo first asked me to confirm how I wanted to proceed. I selected Execute All Phases, and then it loaded 5 different agents for the project: Trend Hunter, Advertising Strategist, Copywriter, Director, and Social Media Strategist. So right from the start, it wasn't just giving me one basic AI response. It actually built a small creative team around the campaign, and then each agent started working on their part. From the viral angle and strategy to the script, visual direction, and social media plan. First, it creates the full campaign concept, which in this case is Unveil Your Aura, a luxury cinematic perfume concept with a viral twist. It also gives the viral angle, the message, the emotional hook, and the brand positioning, which honestly already makes it feel like a real creative team is behind it. Then it writes the full 25-second ad script. After that, it generates the scene-by-scene storyboard, the visual style guide, and the editing and sound design notes. So by this point, RoboNeo has already mapped out the whole campaign for me. Once everything looked good, I clicked to proceed with video generation. Then, RoboNeo generated the character images first and asked for confirmation. After that, it moved on to generating the actual clips and then combined them into the final video. So the really cool part here is that it's not just throwing out one random result. It's actually building the project in stages, from concept to script to visuals to final video.
Ever wondered what it feels like to be the star of a luxury film? DS Aura. One spritz and your world becomes a movie.
DS Aura. One spritz and your world becomes a movie. DS Aura, where luxury meets your legacy.
I also tested the same process with another product, Digital Assets Energy Drink. And this time, RoboNeo loaded around 5 different agents for the campaign, including an advertising strategist, advertising copywriter, marketing visual designer, commercial director, and social media specialist. Each agent had a specific role in the campaign. The strategist worked on the audience and campaign direction. The copywriter handled the ad messaging. The visual designer helped shape the marketing assets. The commercial director turned the idea into a production-ready storyboard, and the social media specialist prepared the content for different platforms. Then, RoboNeo followed the same workflow. It created the concept, planned the campaign, generated the visuals, created the clips, and combined everything into the final video while I watched the process happen. And this is what I really like about agent teams. You don't feel like you're just prompting a tool. You feel like you're giving a brief to a small creative team and then watching them build the campaign step by step. So overall, RoboNeo Agent Teams is a really interesting approach because it doesn't feel like you're just using one AI tool. It feels more like you're giving a creative brief to a small team. So if you want to try RoboNeo Agent Teams, I'll leave the link in the description. Try it with your own product, brand, or content idea and see what kind of campaign it creates for you. If you want to create video ads, RoboNeo is all you need. And if you want to see more AI tools that can help you create videos, ads, and content faster, make sure to subscribe.